Hello everyone. Welcome to Top 24/7 channel. How are you doing today? We are dedicated to regularly update your list of tech devices around you. And in today's video we've collected incredible human-powered inventions that will leave you stunned. Let's get straight into the list we have for you today. Let's see the 3 key ideas of this technology. 1. Safety. The hover flying car is controlled by a digital system that completely excludes the passenger from control. The AI monitors safety in the sky. There are no open propellers which could scare people. Passengers are located in a protected capsule that takes a shock in the event of an accident. And for the most urgent situations, there is a rescue parachute that gently lowers the car with passengers to the ground. 2. Speed. The unique drone layout with additional propulsion motors allows Hover to fly twice faster than conventional drones. The drag in straight flight is minimal, the machine doesn't change its lean angle to move forward unlike most drones. And there are many efficient Venturi motors, safer and smaller than conventional propellers. 3. Convenience. We made sure that Hover doesn't scare away those people who are used to cars. We achieved the dimensions of a regular car. This allows you to land in a standard parking space, maneuver in the parking lot and drive into the garage. This enables faster integration into the real urban infrastructure. We are currently testing a prototype and collecting a large amount of data that helps us move faster towards our dream, providing people with an efficient, environmentally friendly and safe mode of transport. I am grateful to all of you for your faith, support and help in the implementation of the project. Jetson ONE. A commercially available personal electric aerial vehicle that you can own and fly. Jetson was founded by Peter Turnstrom and Tomasz Patton in 2017. We intend to make everyone a pilot. K-Racer helicopter. Successful flight test of unmanned compound helicopter K-Racer. Kawasaki Heavy Industries has succeeded in a flight test of the unmanned compound helicopter K-Racer at the Taikicho Multipurpose Aviation Park in Hokkaido. In the conventional helicopter, we demonstrated the technology with an unmanned tester aiming at high speed, which is technically limited, and in this test, we were able to confirm stable flight by autonomous control. Archaeopteryx. To fly. The super light all-rounder. The Archaeopteryx is an artfully small series, versatile, high-end hang glider with conventional glider controls. The unique aircraft is particularly characterized by its minimal weight, easy assembly, very slow minimum speed and its versatile launch methods. It impresses with its very good-natured flight behavior and outstanding climbing ability in the updraft. The aerodynamic controls are operated with the right-hand side stick and left-handed with the flap lever and the adjustable foot pedals. The Archaeopteryx is flown like a conventional glider. The exceptional climb performance and the good gliding performance enable extensive cross-country flights even in weak thermal conditions. The comfortable cockpit, optionally open or fully paneled, together with the fatigue-free flight characteristics motivate to long flights. For safety, there is a specially developed and tested rocket-powered overall rescue system for the Archaeopteryx. The pilot is securely connected to the aircraft and the rescue system at all times. Introducing the Lilium Jet. The first electric vertical takeoff and landing jet. Designed for versatility. The Lilium Jet can adapt for a range of customers and uses, with each configuration optimized for an unparalleled experience. The most spacious cabin arrangement is designed for private flights, with luxurious club seating. Alternatively, the cabin can be configured with 6 seats for passenger flights, or without seats to serve the zero-emissions logistics market. Ducted electric vectored thrust. The proprietary technology at the core of the Lilium Jet is ducted electric vectored thrust, DEVT, which we have refined through successive generations of aircraft demonstrators. Electric jet engines integrated into the wing flaps provide advantages in payload, aerodynamic efficiency, and a lower noise profile, whilst also providing thrust vector control to maneuver the Lilium Jet through every phase of flight. Underlying engine technologies. Traditional jet engines power 95% of commercial aircraft, and we have based our design on the same principles, yet far simpler. Our electric jet engines rely on just a single-stage, rotor stator system driven by an electric motor with zero emissions. 5 generations of flight. Lilium is one of the only pioneers in eVTOL seeking dual certification with EASA and FAA. Since 2015, we've designed, built and tested 5 generations of technology demonstrators and invited the world to watch as we pioneer an aircraft and flight control system never seen before. Under the hood of the fastest bike in the world. 86.65 miles per hour and a new human-powered speed record. The record-setting runs took place at the World Human-Powered Speed Challenge, an annual event designed to enable teams from around the world to take a shot at various human-powered speed records. A 5-mile, nearly level straightaway on Highway 305 provides the perfect place to go as fast as possible. Keep an eye on our channel for new updates on a regular basis by subscribing to Top 24/7. Thanks for watching. I need you like a heart needs a beat. To my Simon.